Hello, greetings and salutations. I'm Dr. Rebecca Stafford, and as I have an obsession both with habit change and as well drawing mandalas, I've put together a book called something like the 21-Day Mandala Habit Challenge or something like that. And the purpose of this little video is I've created some freebies, or a freebie, to promote the book. It's a mandala greeting card template. You can just have it. But I've also created a bunch of amazing, gorgeous free bonuses to go with when you pre-order the mandala book, 21-Day Habit Challenge, whatever it is. So I'll just show you the templates, the mandala templates, and how to use them, and show off all the freebies that go with the pre-order as well. So the freebie, which you can just get, doesn't look very exciting on its own, and it's a that's it there. It's actually a greeting card. So first I'll show you how to turn it into a greeting card, and of course you can just do this yourself. You don't need my templates, but here's an example of how to actually turn it into a card. So this is a bit of a spoiler alert, because this is one of the bonus templates, or actually examples that I coloured up. I need to figure out what side that goes on. Okay, so Tara is my bestie, and she's going to be getting a whole lot of greeting cards, and so you can print all these out on an A4, and couldn't be simpler. Tying myself in knots. Just fold it in half on the short side, on the width, and then fold that in half again, and there's your little gorgeous wee greeting card. And a little I've got this bright light going here, and a little thing there that you can write on in that. So couldn't be simpler. So you can do it yourself. So this is actually one of the free bonuses that come when you pre-order the book. But I just wanted to show you how to make the card. Do it yourself if by all means, please, if you want to. But also, I mean, how often do we actually get a greeting card in the mail, or even a letter in this day of electronics? It's such a thrill, and I've never been good at sending cards or letters particularly, especially in recent years. And part of the reason we don't do things is when they're too hard, and I didn't have the cards, and I kind of had some envelopes, and I didn't even know what it cost these days to send a standard letter. So I'm basically getting all these bits together, and so I got two bunches of envelopes, very plain envelopes. I swear to God, I must have had them for about 20 years. And so I've now turned these into functional art. So I've just got a whole bunch of very plain, boring, ancient envelopes, and made them look gorgeous. And I have found out what it cost. Price a stamp in New Zealand currently, and I've got a whole bunch of stamps, and it's all just ready to go. So that's very exciting. I can now be one of those hero type people who send out greeting cards and fancy notepaper. We'll get to that in a sec. So as I said, the freebie, the free template, if you can see it at all, it doesn't look very exciting. So I thought I would just show you. So the idea is you print off the template and you just colour it in, personalise it, make it look gorgeous however you want. But I thought I'd just show you a couple of examples to show you how that boring template could look quite different. So which one to show you first? So here's one. So that is based on the same template that I just showed you. And here's another one. Again, exact same template, very different looking. I used a lot of where's my finger? Used a lot of gold down here. It's not a I haven't clearly defined the design, and it's got a kind of loose, lovely luxury look that I really like. So that's freebie. Want the freebie template? Then just get it. There'll be a link somewhere around for you to get it. But I did these just as examples, just to to show you what you could do with it, but I did them and I thought, oh, they're so gorgeous. I'm actually going to include them in the free bonuses when you pre-order the book. And I've done, for the pre-orders, I've actually done several templates, I think 4, and also done several exemplars which will be included. That's my pussycat Maniki. On my YouTube channel there's a video of her doing a 1-minute obstacle course. You should totally check it out, she's awesome. So one of the other templates, actually I've got 2 versions of the same template. What's going on there? And this is actually for notepaper. So also for blocking my cat. No, I won't block my cat. Yeah, for really fancy notepaper or illustrated quotes. Some of my favourite quotes I love putting inside these. Here's so you get that template with the pre-orders, and here's a different version of the same template. Since you haven't actually got the mandala book, which gives you lots of ideas on drawing mandalas, so here's just a fancier version of the template. And here's a couple of examples where I've coloured up. So here's the coloured up version of the plain note paper template, and it's got a lovely, very simple, just black, white and green, and it's got a lovely sort of 60s retro vibe. I quite like that. And here's a coloured up version of the fancier notepaper template, and I don't know if you can see it, but I've just put a bit of golden here as well. I do go a bit crazy with the gold, and just a little bit of detail in the flowers there, although that's hard to see in this light, sorry about that. And yet another card template, and this is this one. I call it the PowerShell. It's my cat wiping her furry gnomes on my blind. I call this the PowerShell one, so there you go. And here's a couple of versions. They look a little similar. Oh no, the cat's coming in. Look a little similar, just different ways. Got a bit of green, a little bit of metallic green in there as well. I think you can see the sheen there. Oh no, pussycat, no. And again, the exact same template, but with a different colour treatment as well. So just kind of wanting to show like the variety. I mean, the variety is infinite of what you can just do with one template. I mean, do your own templates or use one. And the, oh, pussycat, let's get on my lap. Come on, Maniki, come on. Yeah, I know. Okay, and okay, she's down. The last template I really like. I think it's like a bit like a flower lay, and I showed you this is the one I showed you, the made up version of the of my Tara greeting card. So in the mandala book, I actually show you how to do confident freehand mandalas, and in particular how to do this flower with a variety of petals, just a cunning way of evenly spacing it. And here's you've already seen the one I did for Tara, lovely pink thing there, looks a bit like a hibiscus, I think. And just one more variation again, very different, the flower lay thing, but the same template. I mean, that's just a couple of examples for each template, and just remember, everything I've shown you, you get, even the coloured examples, you get as free order bonuses. So when you pre-order the when you pre-order my book, which is called something like the Mandala 21-Day Habit Challenge, you get all of those things immediately. So you've got something to get started on. It's probably going to be, it's the end of September now. The main book should be released by mid or the end of October, yeah. And I'm a little bit at the mercy of the book designer who's got all the artwork and the text, but yeah, that's it. So but get the single template, the freebie 4, as the name suggests, for free, or do your own and make gorgeous cards, and just send them off to your friends and family, or whānau as we say here in New Zealand. So yeah, awesome, great. Thanks for listening, and here's to creative habits. Bye.